Steno. Transcription number 51. Start. Madam, the bill which has been moved just now has been rightly described by the Prime Minister as a non-controversial bill and as a bill which is very useful in order to develop the atomic energy in our country. The bill provides for the regulation of radioactive and other prescribed substances which are to be used, which are being handled, which might be produced and which might be imported, so that there may not be any hazards which are incidental to the handling of such substances, and adequate rules are to be regarding them. As far as these rule making powers are concerned, Madam, there is one aspect of it which needs some consideration, namely as far as the production of these substances in the country itself is concerned. The establishments in which these substances are going to be produced are to be governed and controlled. As far the safety measures are concerned, and as far as the factory acts are concerned by the central government. Stop. As far as this provision is concerned, it is desirable because these are not just ordinary factories, but these are factories that have to deal with certain substances for which special protection is necessary, and perhaps the atomic energy commission is the right authority to determine what type of protection is necessary for that. At the same time, in the rule making power which the central government has taken, precautions should be taken to see that the safety measures regarding other aspects of the matter as far as the work of the labor in these factories is concerned are also the same standard, if not of a better standard, as those provided for in the Factories Act elsewhere. That is, attention should not be concerned only the hazards incidental to the handling of the substances, but other amenities to which the work are entitled in the ordinary factories should be provided for in any rules that might be under this measure. Along with this precaution, this power is absolutely necessary and therefore I support the same. Second, there is question of acquiring certain material which might yield useful substances that are necessary for the development of atomic energy. The idea perhaps to get all these materials with the control of the Atomic Energy Commission, because these substances are very rare and they are to be conserved. फ्रेंड्स, आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।